for the love, guys. We are already humbled by the response from some of our avid readers.
Hi Rashmi, here's wishing you all the best for your book launch, The Adventures of Ganesha. I think it's a fantastic book. We've had the privilege to read it pehle.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we've loved it because our two favorite characters have come together.
Ganeshji and Santa Claus. I think it's fantastic. Even the way the nook joke between Ganeshji and Musak, I think that is fantastic.
That was Tia's favorite part actually.
Yeah, I think the kids are going to love it, and we really hope and pray that this book does really well, so that we get to read more parts in which you introduce more characters and their interactions with Ganeshji and Musak. That would be fantastic.
Guys, you must all read this book. I'm sure you're going to love it, and the children are going to love it especially.
Yeah, and it's going to be available on Kindle. So guys, get down there and get a Kindle and
grab your copy.
Grab your copy. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
So, what are you waiting for? Download your copy of Ganesha and Santa on Mount Kailash for free on Kindle Unlimited. Hurry! Limited period offer.